June 16, 2026, New Rochelle, New York. A routine trespass stop on the train tracks suddenly escalates when a suspect dials his mother, who turns out to be a famous TV host and former federal prosecutor, igniting a heated argument between police officers and a mother using every possible means to save her son from arrest.
Sorry, you guys running from me? I'm so sorry.
Yeah, put your hands behind your back for a second.
Hey, what's going on? I'm on
Put your hands.
Mom, by the way. Yeah, I got you. Hey, Mom. I'm walking by a train station and this cop is putting handcuffs on me. I got you. My mom's a lawyer, by the way.
That's okay. What's your name?
Gabriel. What's your name, sir?
Nice to meet you. I'm Brian.
Brian, is that your badge number 2814?
Yes. So the reason we're stopping you, this is trespassing right here.
Oh, I'm sorry. It was open over there. I was just walking on a run here.
Where are you coming from? All the way over there?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I saw it just looked open for me, so I just walked in.
So this is considered trespassing. It's criminal trespass. Reason why it's such a big deal, people get hit by a train all the time. We want to prevent it, obviously.
But can you please...
you want me to hold it for you?
Yeah, my mom, the phone's at 2%, FYI. Here you go.
So this is considered trespassing. It's a big deal. We don't want people to get hit by a train, which is why we came running over, okay? Do you have any ID on you?
Yes.
Okay, where is it?
It's in my phone if you take off the case.
Tell them your mother is a federal prosecutor.
Yes.
Hey, Mom, how are you? This is Officer Gomez. Your son's fine, right?
Officer Gomez,
how are you?
This is
Yes.
former federal prosecutor.
Okay, fair
That's
enough.
my son.
Yep.
He's a Harvard graduate.
Yeah.
He's not a criminal. He has no criminal record, no criminal history.
Yes. No, I understand that. The issue is, like I told your son, is this is considered criminal trespassing. So besides being illegal, it's actually very dangerous for him to be around the railroad tracks. You know, we get people that get hit all the time. So we make this a big issue because it's a serious thing. People get hit.
I understand.
Yeah.
Thank you for protecting him.
No problem. Listen. You know, we just have to do our due diligence here. Okay, your son is fine. I promise. You're on the line here. If we do have to hang up, I'll make sure that he gets to call you. So don't worry, okay? Everything's fine at this point.
Can we call her on your phone if my phone dies?
Absolutely. Yeah, no problem. It's fine.
Are you arresting my son?
At this point, listen, we're just going to do our due diligence. We're just going to check his background, and that's all we're going to do for now, okay? All right, we'll keep you informed of everything that goes on, all right? So that's pretty much it. He says...
Can you please keep me on the phone?
Absolutely, yes, ma'am. So as of right now, if you don't mind, I'm going to hang up because he says his ID's on the phone.
If you just take out my case off, it's actually right in the case.
Yes, thank you.
No problem. Mom, if I hang up on you, just give me 1 second. Hold on.
Yes, it's right in there. Sorry that have you guys catch me here.
Yeah, it's very, like, this is like a super busy train station, and we don't need anyone getting hit by a train, okay? That's the last thing we want anyone to do, okay? I know this gate is open, but that's still trespassing, okay? This is Metro North property, all right? Even if you're on the phone, just, taking a walk, like, trains are coming in and out of here all night long, and last thing I need for you to do is, be distracted and walk on the tracks and get run over by a train, all right?
Understood. I had no idea. I was just trying to walk around, take a run.
I got you.
Yeah, totally understood. My mom's asking for you, actually.
Hello, this is Officer Murray.
Hi, Officer Murray.
Hi.
Former federal prosecutor, that's my son.
Yes.
He's a Harvard graduate. He doesn't have a criminal record.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
I'm trying to figure out what's going on.
Yeah, he's we have him detained on the track area. He was walking, talking to you on the cell phone as we were on the Track 2 platform at New Rochelle, and we saw him walking towards us. This is a active railroad track with 4 live tracks and 4 third rails active. So we initiated a subject stop on him to get him in custody so that he doesn't get hit by a train accidentally, because we see it happen more often than not. Yes, we're waiting for our sergeant to arrive, and then we're gonna take her from there.
All right. Gabriel, just to keep everything above board, I am going to write you what's called an appearance ticket, where you do have to show up to court. All right. I'll explain all the details and why you have to show up.
Let's get my mom on the phone.
Of course, yeah.
Hey, Mom. Hey, so you said that. Can I grab my phone?
Absolutely, go ahead.
And if the phone dies, can we call her?
Absolutely.
So yeah, just tell her.
Miss Hostin, it's Officer Gomez.
Hi, Officer Gomez. I'm about 4 minutes away.
Okay, that's fine. So I just wanted to give you the heads up. So I am going to be writing your son what's called an appearance ticket. I'm sure you know what that is. I'll explain everything, where he has to report, all that stuff, because it is criminal trespass where he was. It's normally in a... Hold on for 1 second, miss. It's normally a misdemeanor. Obviously, we're cutting it down to the violation because there's nothing on his record. He's been very cooperative with us. But as of right now, we will have to issue him the appearance ticket.
Officer, is that really necessary? This is a kid that doesn't do anything. He's a Harvard graduate and a Yale researcher. He teaches geometry to f***ers and punks.
I understand that. It absolutely is necessary, miss.
No, we appreciate you being cool, man. It's just the MTAPD takes that stuff very seriously. All right, that's like one of like the biggest things we take seriously is like trespassers and safety along the track area and in between the gauge, which is where the train rides through. Okay, because it's like these trains are coming in at 40, 50 miles per hour. They can't stop on a dime. They see a person. Sometimes they don't know if they're suicidal or whatever the case may be, okay? And sometimes they dump the train in an emergency just to make sure, you know? So that puts the safety of other people that are riding the train at risk, okay?
Why would you put something on his record like this?
No, it's not anything criminal. He just has to appear. I'm dumbing it down to a violation. That's all it is. So it's not a misdemeanor. It's just going back down. I'm writing him literally for the 140.05. It's a trespass violation. He would have to appear, which is an inconvenience. I understand that. But with all due respect, ma'am, I still have a job to do. And we have to deter people from being on the tracks. Because again, besides...
I understand, but what I'm asking of you is once a judge gets this, all he would have to do is pay a fine anyway. There is a path.
I understand that, miss, but I have to do this. It's part of my job. Okay?
Is this necessary? Like,
Yes.
what happens if you didn't do it?
What do you mean?
What happens if you're like, oh, I would like to write this?
Well, you know, we have cameras everywhere.
Yeah,
you know, if we didn't see you, somebody would have called it over.
Correct.
You know, and
There was too many trains coming in and out of there to not.
I hate to
not
say
see
it,
you.
it's like my partner said, our hands are tied. It is what it is. Listen, I really appreciate you being cool about
Yeah.
this. You know, put you in handcuffs, and we do that for our safety
That's
and all that
safety
stuff.
reason on the
Hi, miss. How are you?
That's
I'm Officer Gomez. Ooh. No problem. I apologize for this, but you know, it's
where you were on the
so
track.
like I explained to you. Normally, it's a misdemeanor charge. We're dumbing it down to a violation. Okay, I know you're upset. We just do it as a deterrence because, again, like I explained to you on the phone, besides being illegal, which is far from the subject, it's dangerous. I mean, so that's pretty much it.
Can you give him a warning?
I cannot at this point. I have to write in some of this.
Did we talk about how
And like I said, it's usually a misdemeanor. We're dumbing it down to a violation. So he's literally getting hit by with the 140.05. It's not going to go on his record. It's not going to affect him in nothing. It's not going to. He asked a bunch of questions like if it's going to hit his license. Absolutely not. Yeah. No, it's not going to affect him. Yeah.
We can't be
No, I understand.
every single gate and
I
every
understand.
single
I really do.
along the route.
How are you? How are you? This is my son.
How you doing? All right. Good job, sir.
He was walking along the tracks.
Just on a run, on a walk, and the gate was open. I was like, oh. Ah, yeah.
On the
Sounds
phone.
like an honest
He's on the
mistake.
phone with me. Actually,
Yeah.
I'm a former federal prosecutor.
Yeah.
He knows. He's a Harvard grad who teaches fourth grade geometry to kids.
God bless.
This is not a kid who's ever in trouble. It's an innocent mistake. I understand you have to.
Yeah, it's,
Could be
I don't know what
violation,
happened,
but-
but yeah, whatever.
It's
It's not the end of the world. I get you.
Okay. So this is going to be your copy. Okay. So basically, just have to show up which on a Friday, July 10th at 9:30 a.m. It's going to be to the New Rochelle Criminal Court. It's going to be at 475 North Ave here in New Rochelle. Not the end of the world. Not the crime of the century. Okay? It's unfortunate. I get it. I know you're upset. I know your mom's upset. I'm not trying to be a ball buster here. I have a job to do. That's all it is, okay? I hope you don't take it personally. I really appreciate you being cooperative with us, all right?
Despite Sonny Hostin's desperate attempts, using her fame, her legal status, and her son's Harvard degree to shut down the encounter, the officers stood their ground. They downgraded the arrestable offense to a simple trespassing violation, leaving Gabriel with a summons to face the court on July 31st. What do you think? Did the officers handle the situation fairly, or did the family's influence help them avoid actual arrest? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. To catch the most intense body cam footage and police confrontations, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you in the next case.